That's a good one. That's a good one. My heart is flattered.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You're wonderful. Thank you. You can leave now.
Hey, it's a new work. Nah, thank you. It's a new work. Well,
Yeah.
you can see God celebrate for you too.
That's a good one.
What is happening here?
Happy birthday to the absolute love of my life. My Prince Charming. My sweetheart. Sweetheart, I wish you everything beautiful, success in all you do. Most importantly, long life and prosperity. Happy birthday, my love.
Happy birthday, my prince.
Happy birthday, my son.
Happy birthday, my son, my handsome son, Prince Ahana Achebe, the supreme power bearer of Udenewu Kingdom. Hi! I wish you the best things of life. Good luck, God's protection, success, prosperity, most importantly, wisdom and knowledge.
Amen.
Once again, happy birthday to the love of my life. Sweetheart, it is time for you to cut your cake. Ta-da! All hell the praise.
Wow.
Happy birthday, my love.
Nothing happens in this palace without my consent. Not even my birthday should come as a surprise.
I was only trying to make you happy.
It is not funny. You should have sought my consent. No one makes me happy without my consent. You hear me?
I'm sorry. It will never happen again.
Let this be the first and the last time I will hear you refer to me as your love. I am not your love. This relationship is over. And that is final!
What? No, my prince, my prince, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I did not mean to get you angry. I'm sorry. No, please. I was just trying to make him happy. I did not mean to get you angry.
Behold the
Anna!
prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. He dey mysterious, you no fit define am o, whether happy or sad.
My prince. My prince. Your favorite drink, my prince. Nice.
Never you serve me my favorite drink when I'm not in my favorite mood.
Apologies, my prince.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
I'm sorry.
My prince, please. The love of my life. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was only trying to make you happy. I thought you'd be happy if I organized a surprise birthday for you. I never meant to get you angry. I swear it will never happen again. I'm sorry, Prince.
Utashi, take this thing out of my palace and make sure she leaves the royal car behind.
Yes, my prince.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, it will never happen again. I will never do it again. I'm sorry, my prince. Please, my prince, please. I'm sorry. I was just trying to make you happy. Please. My prince. I'm sorry.
Don't beg again. Let's go.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Let's go.
Please help me. I'm begging you. Help me. My prince. I'm sorry.
What is it? Let me tell you. Hyacinth is my man. And nobody can share him with me. Alright? You bloody liar. Look, let me tell you. I own Hyacinth all for my beautiful self. And not even a slut, not even you, would share him with me.
You both are not okay. Hyacinth is mine and he is mine forever. So if you can't deal with that, take that to your graves. Rubbish. So better leave this place.
What liars are you?
Leave here so I won't wound you.
Look, let me tell you. Hey. I would rather have you both dead than to share Hyacinth with idiots like you. Never!
Look at you. Look at who is talking.
Wait,
Hyacinth, if he wants to choose someone, he will choose someone like you.
Wait, have you seen me? Like, look at me.
Don't even try and touch me. Don't even dare touch me.
Think Hyacinth will leave me for the both of you.
See, this is your black. Please get out from this place.
You guys are making noise.
You guys leave here.
Come on, get out of here. I don't want. Come on, get out. Leave out.
Don't leave here. Smiley, leave here. Leave here.
Hyacinth, I will tell you that
you guys should leave this place. Leave here.
Leave here.
You leave.
Now, wow.
You, Smiley. Take your teeth out of this place.
See, I will not have the both of you insult me in this house. This is my husband's house, okay? Now,
who is your husband?
I will call the security on you.
Are you serious? Husband. I said my husband. Hey, don't try and touch me. You, what are you doing?
Hey, you have to fight. You don't know it's not my side.
I said, you are dragging with me.
I said, you have to fight me.
Try.
You want to fight? No. You want to fight?
Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate.
Amarachi, is everything all right?
Mama, the priest just jilted me.
Fiawa.
Today is his birthday. So I thought it right to give him a surprise birthday. Boy, he didn't like it. He got angry and said that this is the end of our relationship, that I should leave the palace.
Wait.
tell me you are playing. Just tell me this is a joke. Biko.
I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
You are not joking, Amara.
He even has asked the guy to throw me away, and without even the car, he sees the car. Everything I've been begging. I'm tired of crying. I've been begging him.
Hey, now the whole village has started congratulating me that you are the longest fiancée that Prince have ever kept. Eh? You have messed the whole thing up, Amara. Please, let me tell you. Don't allow your father to hear this, please. Amara, if you know what you will do, just go back to the palace. Use your power. Say, woman, go back, please, Amara. Please don't say that again. Just go, go.
How do I do it?
Amara, you deaf? Just go back to the palace.
Mama, big go.
Go.
Mama, please.
Go back to the palace.
Mama, please.
Get down now, go back.
Mama, please.
The son of Ozzy.
That's me. Papa, you know me now.
Even my son.
Papa.
I want you to listen and listen good. Makani wufu anya munga unago Ozzy Jafuso. Now we are about to travel. When you reach Obodo Oyibo, do not be carried out with easy life that the government has made for Ndocha. Remember where you come from. You have to work hard. I think you understand what I mean. To come back as a successful man. Yeah? So that I, your father, Zibondo, will be happy with you. Yeah?
Papa, you don't have to worry about it. Papa, don't worry. When I get there, I will make you proud. You know the son you gave birth to.
Good.
I will make you proud and I will be very successful.
I love that.
You have to take good care of yourself in my absence.
As far as I'm concerned, you don't have problem. Yeah? And very important, you should remove your eyes from white women. Eh? You know you are a handsome boy. Eh? And let me remind you, feminism is not our culture.
Papa, don't worry about all that. See, I am going there to be focused and to make you proud.
Obina.
Papa, I have to be rushing. You know I have to get to Lagos.
I'll do you.
What is chasing after you? The prince. I saw him. He just passed. The prince. I saw him flogging two kids that he saw playing by the roadside. I had to run for my life.
Ijele, this should be the last time you ever be afraid of your fellow human. All men have equal rights, and that's what makes all men equal. Your right is your power. If you know less of your right, you have lesser power. But if you know your right and do what is right, you will have equal power to all men, including the high and mighty. Am I understood?
Yes, Father.
Fear is never a good virtue for those who want to attain greatness in life. Now, promise me you will never be afraid of any human again till you die.
I'll never be afraid of any human till I die.
Again?
I'll never be afraid of any human again till I die.
Again?
I'll never be afraid of any human again
Say
till I
it louder.
die. I'll never be afraid of any human again till I die.
Thank you.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so
Mother.
scary.
My parents did not let me sleep in the house last night. They sent me away. I slept on the street. Your Majesties, please. Help me beg Miss Hannah. I cannot live without him. Please, Your Majesty.
Can you imagine? Even when I am preparing for wedding proper, I don't know what to do to this son of mine again.
Our hopes are crushed again. When will Prince Ahana, when will he build a lasting relationship that will lead to marriage? How long will we continue to refresh our expectations?
Your Majesty, please, we can try. We can try again. Just join me in begging Prince Ahana. I know he loves me. I know he loves me. Just help me beg him.
It's unfortunate. My son inherited unforgiveness. Yes.
It's too late.
Father, Mother, I present to you my new fiancée. She goes by the name Yoma.
After the introduction, Your Majesties, my name is Ihoma Akajaku, the daughter of Kajad, the Onowu of this kingdom. Hi, Amarachi.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. He dey mysterious, you know fit define am. Whether happy or sad.
Hey, my sister, Miss Sword is passing, please. Clear road. Let's vote a clear road for Miss Sword. Eh? She's not married to the prince, yet she's choking us with pride. When your mother have in a village in cow.
How you girls doing?
Hey, my sister, did you see what I saw? I be my eye, they pain me. I don't understand.
This is not possible. Unless it's not the royal car gift I know.
wait, oh. Ihoma, driving Amarachi's royal car. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I just hope so.
You better not be.
Oh, better still let it be so we can all laugh and laugh. Oh, yeah.
Being desperate reduces your what? Being desperate reduces your what? Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your what? Being desperate reduces your what? Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap.
What do I call this? Okay, so what is the meaning of this?
Even you? You know, if I was told that you would do such a thing, I would not believe it. I would doubt it. Even you, my friend, you could never come to meet me, ask the question, like verify, be sure that what you heard is true. The breakup, and the next thing you had already jumped onto my man.
Okay. Your what?
My man.
Your man?
Yes. Don't enter my man. So if you ask the prince this same question now, he will say you are his woman. I'm just asking the question, you're looking at me. Will he say you are his woman? You know, they say your worst enemy is your best friend. That ant that eats you down in your skin is underneath your dress. They say, but painfully, it seems true. It is glaring.
Okay. At this point, this is the reason you stood in front of my car. Sweetheart, this is the prince we're talking about here. I don't have a friend. I will kill even my parents to get to the top. You can't even stop me. Not even you. And the next time you stand right in front of my car, I will forget we're friends. Sweetheart, I will grind you like corned beef and sell you off. Don't try me. Are you leaving? You're still standing there. Watch me move.
Reduces your wants, being so desperate, makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your wants, being desperate reduces your wants, being so desperate.
My daughter, I want your courtship with my son, Ahanna, to be the last courtship that will culminate into marriage. Please.
In respect to that, Ihuama, we would like to share some facts about my son so that the relationship with him would last.
It's my pleasure, Your Majesty.
Going by the way of traditional consultations, my son, Ahanna, is said to have reincarnated from one man called Wadiegu. Wadiegu was such a nice and a jovial man that the whole world liked so much. So people took advantage of his lifestyle of being jovial and killed him. So when I had my son Ahanna, Wadiegu reincarnated in him. And Ahanna decided not to be nice to anybody. As a matter of fact, it's a pause of reincarnation. So that is why he behaves as if he's a sadist today. Yes.
I have heard so much about it, Your Majesty. And I don't mind. I don't mind his nature. I will live with him for the rest of my life.
Keep talking like that. I want this to be the last relationship. And please, my daughter, allow him to take his decisions. Follow the relationship according to his own directives. Are you with me, my daughter? Make my son to smile. Be the first person to do that.
Same here, my dear. Ihuama, I know you can do this. I believe you will do it. A smile on my son's face will mean the whole world to me.
Exactly.
I trust you. Please, make sure you achieve that. Take it as your own duty.
Your Majesty, I promise you, Your Majesty, that I will make him smile. I will be the first person to make him smile.
The onus lies on you. I wish you good luck. Thank you so much, my daughter.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Congratulations, the next princess.
Father,
Nothing. Father, I'm coming.
Stop. Where are you going?
Father, I'm going to Amocha. Everybody's rushing there. I want to go there. Everyone is rushing to Amocha. I want to go there and see what is happening.
Ijele, I've always taught you not to be like everybody. Be different. If you do what everybody does, you will be like everybody. There is a unique potential God created everybody with. You must be different to fulfill your unique potential in life. So go in there and do something different from what everybody is doing. Now.
Thank you, Father.
You are smiling.
Hey, did you hear the sound? It made Mama.
So, how did it go?
There's no problem. No problem. You know, they were just advising me on how to live with the king. You know, they don't want, problems in the palace when I come in.
Hey!
That's it.
Mami Ijebego.
That is
Ijebego.
Odema. That's all.
That's all. Hey! Mama, I'm going to be the princess.
Hey!
How I want the waka?
Galagodu.
Oh.
Oh. Asodogu.
Oh.
Nwunye prince.
Oh.
Nne na gala. O kwesịrị.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. This will.
Ewo. Asa.
Desperation is written all over you. Desperation, ooh, so bad.
I cannot continue staying in this village to face more humiliation. I would better leave this land to a place where nobody knows me. This humiliation is too much. Suicide is not an option. No. I better leave now.
Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Ready to kill, fighting all the time. Pride, anger and strife, violence have stolen the real part of you. Hypocrisy, arrogancy, just imagine what you have turned yourself into. Desperation, desperation
chill as this. Amara, is this you? Why are you walking like this?
Amara, she walk well, this is your bag. You're not coming back anytime soon, though. Last. Now everybody go shop breakfast. Amara, she look your way or you fall. Amara, she I'm talking to you. Amara. Amara, you don't want to answer me. Amara, I pity you. See how she's walking. Hey, easy. Easy before you follow. Easy. He don't cast. Last. Now everybody go show breakfast. Shayo. Hey, Prince Hannah. He's mine. Stupid girl. Come and drag the prince with me now. Amara. Amara, I'm talking to you. Shame to you. Shame unto you. Stupid girl. Shame! Come and drag the prince with me. He don't cast. Now everybody go shop breakfast. See this one. You want to drag Prince Hannah with me.
I have gone round the length and breadth of this noble kingdom in search of what will make my son happy. With all the beautiful things that life can provide that is available to you, the more we try to provide the things that will make you happy, the more the things that we provide denies you of happiness. Your unhappiness increases the more. Talk to me, son. What do you want me to do to make you father? I will oblige you.
Father, you think I'm not happy because you define my happiness in your own terms. Happiness within is way better than a cover-up smile.
Happiness is a universal language. You hardly separate it from smiles, both interwove.
I am happy, Father.
Then why are you so mean and so unforgiving, son?
It is my principle, Father, and it is non-negotiable.
Hannah, you cannot continue like this. You cannot continue like this. If you continue like this, you cannot get a bride that will beget you a son that will stand as the supreme power bearer of this noble kingdom. Son, both of us know it. You know it. Tradition knows it. That the position of the prince is higher than that of the king in this kingdom. A lot of power is resting on your shoulders. Then I want to ask again, my son. If you do not get a wife, how do you beget a son that will stand as a supreme power bearer of this kingdom? Think about it. How are you going to cope if you cannot keep a long-lasting relationship? How can?
I have you on my way.
Then, what are we waiting for? Stop finding faults. Stop being a fault finder. Go ahead and marry her. You have my endorsement. Listen, my son. No one is perfect. Absolutely. The only secret to a successful marriage is forgiveness. Imbibe that culture, my son. Forgiveness. You have dumped several girls. Very intelligent girls. Brilliant. Marvelous. beautiful, marriageable girls because of this same fault of yours. Inability to tolerate. Let me tell you, son, the secret of any long-lasting relationship is what? Forgiveness. Have it as a permanent virtue, my son.
Father, it's my private life. And I can see you are beginning to dictate to me. I don't like it.
I am only performing my duty as a father. Think about it, son. I have some little things to tidy up.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince.
We brought you out this night so that the moon, the stars, the sky, even our land, the air, will bear us witness of what we are about to share with you now.
Mama, take whatever we tell you here this night very serious. Because if you do, you will live happily for the rest of your life.
Ha! Mama, I'm all ears. What is it?
My daughter, your courtship with Prince Ahanna is once in life opportunity. And that is the only way we can apart from poverty. I want you to hold it like egg. Guide it. No cracking or breaking up is allowed, my daughter. So, you must worship him, love him, overlook all his faults. My daughter, one more thing. Keep your eyes on royal glory.
Adam,
Mama,
your father have said it all. But they say, opportunity comes but once.
Bam.
Yeah? And this opportunity, I don't want us to lose it. I want you to grab this opportunity with everything in you. Put your hand, your leg, body and soul. Grab it. Do you understand?
Yes, Mama.
I don't want you to carry last. I don't want you to lose Prince Hannah. See, I want to be an in-law to the royal family. So what I'm saying is this, grab this opportunity with everything in you. Do everything possible to be there, be focused. Anya sa anya give milli. Inugo? Inu.
Yes, Mama.
We are solidly behind you. Inugo?
My daughter, please. Like your mother said, opportunity comes but once. Jidesie ike.
Oria.
Oh yeah.
Okara makwa ife ama o gbalu o. Kana aboti Jidesie.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey.
Excuse me, I will be driving myself.
No, sir. That's my job.
Please. It is time to find my bride. I'll see you guys when I see you.
Don't follow him. A proper arrangement has been made. The boss is always safe.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want. Akwadoluma akwado, anokwamo fuma, ready to sacrifice anything. No matter the weight of insult I get, no, 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 I will not give up till I get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want.
Leg one, you gotta. I got ice cream. Got ice cream. Got ice cream. Leg one, leg two. Your leg, you gotta. You are the ice cream that I see. You were close to me, yet I did not know. The ice cream I'm selling for many years was right beside me, yet I couldn't lick it. I got ice cream. Lick one, lick two. All right, go lick. I get ice cream. Once you lick this one, 2 seconds, you gather. This one will be that kind of ice cream where you go lick. You go to talk of sugar. Once you lick this one, lick 1, lick 2, you gather. Make I bring them. You know. Can you, okay, next time, no wala. But make you carry on for mine though. You lick 1, you lick 2, you gather. I make can be I gather ice cream. Okay, no issue, tomorrow. I got ice cream, lick 1, lick 2. I got ice cream, lick 1, lick 2. Lick 1, you gather. I got ice cream. I got ice cream. Lick 1, lick 2. I got ice cream, get ice cream. I got ice cream. Lick 1, lick 2. Get ice cream, get ice cream. Get ice cream. Lick 1, lick 2. I got ice cream, get ice cream. Get ice cream. Get ice cream, get ice cream. Lick 1, lick 2. I got ice, oh my prince. I got ice cream, get ice cream. Lick 1, lick 2. Get ice cream, get ice cream, get ice cream. Lick 1, lick 2. Lick 1, lick 2. Get ice cream, get ice cream. Lick 1, lick 2. Get ice cream, get ice cream. Lick 1, lick 2. Aha. Lick 1, lick 2. Lick 1, lick 2. I got ice cream, get ice cream. Lick 1, lick 2. I got ice cream, get ice cream. leg one, leg two. My prince, I'm going to give you two because you're the prince, in fact. I got ice cream, get ice cream. Leg one, leg two. For the prince, I got ice cream, leg one, leg two. For the prince, my prince. Thank you. I got ice cream, leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two.
Let it not be that you are lying to me.
Me lie. Otashi. That one is not possible. Now inside truth, they bomb me. May the gods forbid me that I bring false information to you. It's not possible. For the first time in my life, I saw my prince, your son, our prince, smiling.
Otashi, are you Otashi? Okay. Was there any witness to this effect?
You are still talking about witness. Witness is plenty. I get eyewitness, nose witness, mouth witness, even ear witness. Witness is plenty.
Otashi.
I mean, they even tell the witnesses, but they go make the no witness again.
Who is this man that made my son smile?
The man is new in this community. An ordinary ice cream seller. Huh? A local man who looks like a comedian.
I want to behold his face in my palace immediately. Just rush and tell him.
Igwe, consider it done. Igwe, do you want me to bring him or drag him? How do you want it?
All of the above.
Bring and drag.
All of them.
Consider it done.
I want to behold his presence.
Igwe.
Otashi.
Igwe.
This boy will be disturbed.
Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Get ice cream, get ice cream. Get ice cream. I got ice cream. Leg one, leg two. Ice cream. If you lick one, you lick two. And the next thing your life will be, hey, I got ice cream. Leg one, leg two. Hey. Get ice cream, leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Aha! So you see, my chest, I'm not going to leave you empty-handed. Leg one, leg two.
Hey.
It's sweet, leg one, leg two.
I can't take it. I will give it to my children.
I got ice cream, man.
The king wants to see you in the palace right now.
You want ice cream at the palace?
It's not really. If you want to know why the king wants to see you, give me one ice cream. Just one.
I've not done anything wrong. Huh? I've not done anything wrong. It's just my ice cream. That's all I do.
Follow me to the palace. Know why he wants to see you.
You sure? I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. There's no problem. Just give me one ice cream. Just one. Yeah, just one.
On one condition, that you...
Hey!
Got ice cream, got ice cream. Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. In that case, I would have to look for where I would keep my ice cream and then we can go.
Okay.
This way.
This way.
So, I proceed. I got ice cream, leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two. Got ice cream, leg one, leg two. Leg one, leg two.
Otashi. Where is the person you said made my son laugh?
Igwe, he's here. Look at him. The ice cream seller.
Long live your majesty.
You shut up. I thought you were talking about a real man, a real human being. Eh? This idiot, this madman, Was the person that made my son laugh? And you are bringing him to my presence.
Yes, no. Yes, he's not mad. Are you mad?
I do not want to behold his presence any longer. Take him out of my sight.
Igwe. Thank you, sir. Igwe, thank you, sir.
Out with this garbage.
Igwe, thank you, sir.
Can you imagine? 2 left legs.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want. Akwadoluma, akwado.
Hello. Hi. Sorry. Beautiful maiden of Udenewu Kingdom. Greetings.
Greetings. How may I help you?
Well, I'm not asking for too much. I'm just... I just need one favor from you.
Okay. And what could be the favor, if I may ask?
Well, first, I'd like to take you out of this scorching sun. Secondly, I'd like to be your umbrella when it's raining and when it's quite sunny. And thirdly, my ice cream is not far from here. I'd like to get you a chilled one to chill your body since you've been walking under the sun. And lastly, I'd like to know your name because my name is Aigada.
Are you mad? No, I'm asking you, are you mad? Next time, wait till the sun goes down before you get stupid. Useless fool. I gather my foot.
I gotta, come on, I gotta, you gotta.
Rubbish, I gather my foot.
But that's the truth. My name is Aigada, and then you gather, together, we gather. No, you're not paying attention. It's not about how much you pump it, how much you shake it, you wink it, you flick it, you swing it. It's about the truth. I gotta meet, you gather together. We gather.
These boys are just stupid, hoodlums. Thank God I came here. Ha. Hey, hold it there, Where are you? Who are you?
I won't let you steal from the owner. I won't let you do that.
See, I'm actually the owner. That's my name. I got ice cream. I got her.
Are you sure?
Can ask around.
So why did you leave it here?
The chief guard came to tell me that the king wanted to see me urgently, so I quickly packed it here, and then I went to see the king.
Thank your stars. You would have come back to this place and meet nothing.
What? What happened?
Some guys wanted to steal it. I was the one that chased them away. Please don't do this next time. Wherever you're going, make sure you go with your business. Go with your ice cream, please.
Thank you. One more thing.
What?
Like I said earlier, my name is Aigada.
Okay, my name is Ijele.
Ijele? Ijele wine. Beautiful name for such beauty. You mind?
No. No,
Don't worry. Don't worry. Bye. Be careful.
I'm on a journey.
Father, the woman must remain spotless.
That is it. Now, who is that spotless woman? Show me a woman who is spotless. and I will show you a girl that has never been born. Oh yes. Are you spotless, you?
Ahana, for the last time, you dare not date any other girl, any other lady, without getting married to that lady. That is my command, and that is final.